By the year 2030, artificial intelligence could replace up to 800 million jobs worldwide. That's like the entire population of the United States suddenly unemployed. The question is, will your job survive? In this video, we'll explore how many jobs AI will really take, which ones are safe, and how this could change your future. The first jobs at risk are repetitive ones. Call center operators, replaced by chatbots that can already answer thousands of questions at the same time. Data entry workers, replaced by algorithms that work faster than any human. Today, AI systems already reply to WhatsApp messages automatically, make customer service phone calls, and even schedule appointments without human help. These aren't experiments. They're being used by real companies right now. If your work is repetitive and predictable, chances are AI can already do it faster, cheaper, and without mistakes. But don't relax too soon. AI is learning to write, design, compose music, and even diagnose diseases. Even jobs that once felt creative or professional are now at risk. Voice actors are being replaced by AI systems that can clone a voice in seconds and generate entire dialogues without a human. CG artists and designers are also feeling the impact. What used to take hours of work can now be produced by an AI in just minutes. And even doctors are starting to rely on AI to analyze X-rays and detect illnesses earlier than humans. Think about this for a moment. If creative workers, artists, and even doctors can be affected, what does that mean for everyone else? Imagine Timmy, the teacher, suddenly replaced by an AI tutor that adapts instantly to every student. Or Timmy, the lawyer, competing with a system that reviews thousands of contracts in seconds. The line between safe and at risk is blurring very quickly. Now think about your own job for a second. Could a machine do it? Maybe not today. But what about in 5 years? Or 10? According to studies, about 30% of the global workforce could be affected. That's hundreds of millions of people needing to adapt. But remember, when computers first appeared, many feared they would destroy jobs. And they did replace some, but they also created entirely new industries. The same thing happened with the internet. Entire professions disappeared, while new ones appeared almost overnight. 20 years ago, nobody was a YouTuber, a social media manager, or an app developer. Technology kills jobs, but it also creates new ones. The challenge is how fast society can keep up with the change. And here's something you might not know. In Japan, some local newspapers already use AI to write entire articles for their readers. In Hollywood, studios are experimenting with AI tools to generate background characters, voices, and even scripts. And in hospitals, AI is already helping doctors detect cancer earlier than ever before. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. So, how many jobs will AI really take? The truth is, millions. But at the same time, millions of new opportunities will appear. Some people will be left behind. Others will reinvent themselves in ways we can't even imagine today. The real question is, will you be ready to adapt? AI will take jobs, yes, but it will never take curiosity, creativity, or the human drive to adapt. That's still up to us. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep exploring the future of science, technology, and survival with Timmy, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.